This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Tiffany Schuist. Get ready for amazing sunsets from your couch. This massive 5,477 total square feet custom-built home is full of beautiful views everywhere you turn. With high ceilings in the family and dining rooms to multiple sliding glass doors, it makes it easy to watch those wonderful Florida sunsets over the water. This home is filled with tremendous amounts of storage space and plenty of room for entertaining. The main level consists of 2,262 square feet and has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It is a split floor plan with a huge primary bedroom and bath so the owner can feel like they have a little oasis of their own, complete with a water view. The huge screened upstairs lanai makes evenings enjoyable watching those unforgettable sunsets. The laundry room is also on the main floor, complete with front loaders, laundry sink and room for an extra refrigerator or freezer. The downstairs consists of a flood floor for elevation purposes and has 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, kitchen and living room of its own. There is also an attached 2-car garage with workshop which brings the total square footage to 5,477 square feet. Both levels have their own central unit. Walk out to another huge, screened lanai leading to a brand new 14 by 28 heated saltwater pool complete with a spa, built in 2022. You will fall in love with your resort-like backyard, complete with a fire pit area. Jump on your boat and be out to the bay within minutes or dock at one of the 2 amazing local restaurants located on the water. This home has been through a huge amount of renovations in the last 2 years. The dock was redone in 2022 and all pilings are wrapped and cemented. The roof was changed 3/2022, electrical panel replaced 3/2022 and a brand new water heater was installed 6/2022. The main kitchen has marble countertops and LG stainless steel appliances. The primary bathroom has a new dual sink vanity with quartz countertops. It also has a whirlpool tub and separate shower. All light fixtures and ceiling fans upgraded and so much more. Come take a look at this beautiful home today and make it yours. For more information, review the details below or contact Tiffany Schuist at 985-696-6050.